Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. It's another weekend and I'm quite happy to be back on your screen. Although I had a video on Tuesday evening, yeah, and that was just how to pay for a fundednext account. Yeah, so in that video, yeah, I explained that many of those other options do not work except the crypto. So I got some comments from people saying, oh, they work, but they may be more difficult or you may spend more using those other platforms. So I think the bank transfer, I think it works, but the commission on it is usually way more than when you use crypto. Yes, so and that's why I just had to, right from time it has been crypto I've been using, and I will advise that you also use that. Yeah, and I hope you register for Remitano. When you do P2P exchange on Remitano, you have to be very careful. Look at the rating of the person you are dealing with, so that it becomes it is a clean transaction. Right. So I got the account in 5K account, and I said that I didn't even know what I was going to do with it at that point. But because it was a BOGO offer, of course, I had to take advantage of it. And I'll advise you guys to, anytime you want to buy an account and there's a big BOGO offer, you could buy the account that period, because then it gives you the opportunity. If you pass the phase one and phase two challenge, you have another account to work with. So for this 25K account, at first I wasn't, because I am not definitely not trading the same strategies on both, because I have a funded account now and this 25K account, challenge account. Yeah, so I actually wasn't planning to trade the same strategy on both. So for this 25K account, I decided that okay, let me do work something around gold on it. And so I started testing a strategy on gold, but with little of my risk, not even up to 0.5% of my risk. I think it's around 0.25%. So that was like, how many trials if I blow the account? If I blew it like 40 trials, yeah, 10, 20, yeah, like 40 trials before I blow the account, which is a lot. And let's see, this week was, I only decided to start doing that, trading this strategy on this account yesterday, Saturday. So I took only one trade. There were opportunities to take some more trades, but the market wasn't really moving well. So I only took one, which happened to now be a loss. Yeah, so but on my other 5K account, I'm just, because this week was just there. Yesterday was not a trading day. Let's just cancel yesterday from the 5 days of the week. Yeah, but for the other days, good pound USD was just trending. It wasn't really giving me the kind of vibes I like to take my trades. We've gotten used to that consolidation kind of market, so that's what we are looking for. So not just to jump on trends, and when you jump on, then the market now goes back and clear, takes your stop loss in a retracement or in a slow moving market. And so everything is just fast paced now, pow, pow, pow. So you just have to, when you see maybe you see the impulsive candle, the hammer or the engulfing candle, just enter immediately and don't wait for anything. That's not how it used to be, but that's how it is now. So you just have to decide if you get used to this or if you just maintain your former view of the market. So we'll find out. I'll find out. But everything is still good. I'm still above 3%. So that's 3%. I'm still above. I'm still not too far from breakeven. I think that's the best way to put it. Yeah. So if I can get some wins this week, of course I would be eligible for payout. I already missed my payout on Friday. Remember last week I told you guys that yesterday was my payout date, and I had till Thursday and day before yesterday to trade. But there were no good opportunities for me, so I'll just go into my foreigners account now and show you my account. Yeah, and just show you the trades I took this week. Maybe just, I think it's just two trades I took. Yeah, so I'll just show it. Right, guys, so this is my finest account, and these are my three accounts. This is 25K account, and you can see what I was saying. The first trade I took yesterday with a small amount of the account was a losing trade, so the account is a bit down. Then this is the main account that I've been trading for, I'll say 3 weeks now, and so let's go into this account. Yeah, so you see my start date reset yesterday. Start date. Oh, okay, yeah, from the previous. That's the main start date, July 25th, and end date is September 3rd. So they've added another 3 weeks to, because this was supposed to be my end date. Let's see. Yesterday was supposed to be my end date, but since I didn't end, I mean Thursday, sorry, was supposed to be my end date. Yeah, but since I couldn't secure a payout on Thursday, I added 3 more weeks, 1, 2, and 3 to it. Yeah, because this is my first payout, so of course it will be 3 weeks. If I added 3 weeks to it for me to try and get a payout. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm just 2.9% down. That's not a lot for me. Yeah, especially as I'm not risking 1% on this account, so it's not a lot. It's just that the period has not been good for me. Yeah, so let me show my equity curve. Yeah, so this is how it's been, just steadily going down, but I'm sure I can get this account back up, definitely. Yeah, so let's just, it's only pound USD I trade, so I don't think there's anything to show here. So I'll just go to the charts now and show you the trades I took this week. Okay. Yeah, so this week started on 11th, and there was nothing much happening on this day, except that I wanted to buy. If you look at the chart from far, you see that it's been bullish. So when the market broke above this resistance zone, so at this point I was interested in buying, but I don't know what happened. I probably came to the market late on this day, because I wake up very late these days. I wake up very late these days. Let me see, 11th. Oh, I was skeptical. Yeah, I was skeptical of the buy because this was the previous resistance that had been broken, and this could mean this could cause a very big push to the downside. So I was skeptical of buying here. Yeah, I wanted to buy from somewhere around a low place around here. Yeah, back to this resistance. So I think that's the reason why I didn't take a trade on this day. Then on Tuesday, yeah, on Tuesday I would have got a very good trade on Tuesday, but this CPI, this stupid CPI was just a mess. Yeah, and the time the market came to where I would have loved to buy from, that was around 1:30, close to the CPI time. So you can imagine. Yeah, I wanted to buy from somewhere around here because, of course, you've seen a break back above this resistance level. So I was very, very interested in buying from somewhere around here. But then this was the CPI candle, so I was unable to enter this trade. I probably would have been able to get another entry somewhere around. This is the pullback after a CPI, but I don't know. Okay. Tuesday was the day I was at work, so yeah, I was at work on Tuesday, so I get carried away a lot, and I tend to miss opportunities. Yeah, maybe I would have even seen this one in the morning, but of course, preparation for work and transport to work, all those things can affect your performance. So, but this was the opportunity I had to see this trade, but I couldn't take it again. That's how I missed Tuesday. Then on Wednesday there was nothing for me. On Wednesday I woke up around 9 a.m. because I wasn't going to work on Wednesday. So I think I woke up around 9 a.m. and by that time this move had already happened. So I was hoping that there would be a pullback to this neckline region, but then there was no pullback, and that was how this opportunity went. Yeah, and this is what I've been talking about. Normally, when there's an impulse or an engulfing candle like this, there's always a pullback so that people can enter. Most of the time, when the market is not really, really impulsing, but now it just gives this strong candle and is expecting you to enter from here. Who buys from this position? I don't know. Maybe some people, but not me. Yeah, so that was how this opportunity went. Then on Thursday was the day that I had very clear chance to trade, and this market decided to humiliate me. You can see I took 2 trades on this day. This is the first trade. I think there was a news on Thursday too. I can't remember, but this was the first trade I took. And on this chart, it shows that I was still in this trade, or I could have hit my TP on this trade. It was a cool, maybe up to 3 hour trade. Yeah, I'm sure I would have extended this up to 3 hour. But look at what happened. It was very unfortunate. The market took me out at, this was in my fundednext account. It was the spread that took me out of this trade. The spread. So you can imagine how painful that was. This could have been a very good area chance to have covered a lot of my losses from previous weeks, but I got stopped out with spread. Then this one was the one I now took after the news had occurred. After the news had occurred, I took this one, and so you can see there's every reason why I took the trade. There's already a break below this um, resistance zone around here. So, and with this candle, okay, this 15 minutes. Maybe I should go to the 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the whole range, the whole of the range from 15 minutes, and there was this break below it already. This was the news candle that broke below it. So on pullback, then I knew that okay, this is the second opportunity I have to take this trade. So I entered around there and I had to take my stop loss a lot higher because this was a news driven trade. So, and you don't know how deep you can may want to go in stop loss before making that move. So I had a fairly large stop loss, and then the market started to move in my favor, and I was able to come out at only 1.4 something hour. It didn't get to my 2 hour. This is where my 2 hour spot was, but it didn't get there. Yeah, so I was only able to come out at 1.4 hour. So, and that was my last trade for the week. On Friday, I don't know you guys saw how Friday was. Friday was just a mess. Nothing was happening. Yeah, look at all the old rough candles. I was actually interested in selling on Friday because of this impulse downwards. So we need a pullback and then continuation. And it was even later in the day. I think this is 6 p.m. 6 to 10 p.m. was when the bearish move looked like it was ready to start. Yeah, so I was really interested in the sell here, but the market refused to do it. It just kept on producing these very rough candles in the buy direction. Okay, so that was all. That's all I had for this week, and that was how I performed this week. I had only two trades. One was a stop loss with to the peep or to the point because my it was the spread that took me out actually. Yeah, so that was the first one, and the second one was not a very good. It didn't get to my target, so I just came out at a little above 1 hour, which just helped cushion a bit of the loss. But I have 3 weeks again to go. Yeah, so I want to believe that the market will start playing according to how I like to trade, and then I can get some more profits and get a payout on the 3rd of September. Yeah, September is even my birthday month or birth month. Yeah, so I need to get a payout so I can do some small fudge. All right, guys. So that's all from me. If you enjoyed my series, please keep on following, and if you like the video, please click on the like button, share with your friends, comments. I respond to all comments. You guys know that already. Engage me in the comments. If you want to have an advice from me, I don't mind listening to your advice. And thank you guys, those of you that have been there with me right from time. I really appreciate this. Really appreciate this. Yes, so and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.